One of the ways that companies are achieving net zero goals, or in other words, the reduction of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, is by either augmenting current production methods or adding additional methods that allow them to reduce or offset the total CO2 that enters the atmosphere. Let's take a look and see how we can investigate this in dimensions. If you enter carbon dioxide in the search box, you can see that it comes up with several concepts and domains. You may want to include chemistry, inorganic material, and substance. One of the ways to offset the emissions of CO2 is to repurpose them or capture them. You can do this using gaseous membrane filtration. When you search for this term, you can see that there are several categories. If you specify what you don't need, for example anatomy, and what you do need, for example a device, you can confirm and search. For this co-occurrence analysis, there are 6,920 co-occurrences of membrane with the term carbon dioxide. This highlights lots of opportunities. Next, let's narrow down our search by selecting from these publications. In this example, you may want to just look at patents and then update and run a new search. Regarding patents, there are several on synthetic membranes, hollow fibers, and so on. You can now add additional methodology here or augment a current one. So you may currently be using ultrafiltration, but may be more interested in hollow fiber membranes that could give higher efficiency or perhaps a better method. Let's choose synthetic membrane. You can narrow the results on the right-hand side for those patents relating to a synthetic membrane. All of these snippets of full text have our search terms already pulled. Let's take a look at a specific patent. On the right-hand side, you can see that we have access to the full text of this patent. You also have several sections that are available for you to scan through on the left-hand side. There are also other details including patent information and course annotations. You can see that there are lots of terms from our 24 ontologies. For example, let's say that you are interested in a device. Here's our membrane that we searched for. It's mentioned 191 times. You can click through to see exactly where the key term is mentioned. You can also highlight the chemical structures that are found within the document, view any images, and learn about the patent family to see specifically which category this concept was patented under. You can further investigate and read the full text, but ultimately you have the tools that you need in order to repurpose or add on new processes.